Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Nikki or Nicole or whatever you want to call me. But whatever you want to call me, I just gave you two options, so those are your two options. Anyways, we're starting this video in the car because this video, someone's probably done it before. Hopefully not, because I came up with it and I kind of feel smart. So basically, I'm going to Walmart to go to their incredibly small natural hair section, and I'm going to be picking the cheapest products from ooh, I look mostly ghostly. As I was saying, I'm going to be going to Walmart to pick their cheapest item from each type of product, like a cheapest shampoo, a cheapest conditioner, all that. And then I'm going to do a wash and go, well, attempt a wash and go with the products that I find. So basically this is like a challenge, but it's also going to be kind of like a review because I'm going to let you guys know what I think about each product, if I like it, if I don't. And yeah, hopefully nobody's made this before and I can be the first and start a thing. I should probably check, but do I care? I'm still making the video. I don't care. So right now we are outside of Walmart and we're going to go inside. I'm going to take you guys inside and we're going to go on our hunt for a cheap product. Also, I still have my blister. Now it's just like a mini cut, so ignore her. So I'm in the incredibly small multicultural hair section. So I have a list of everything that I need. So first, let's look for the cheapest shampoo they have. I didn't really think this through. I'm gonna have to be looking to compare with everything. Okay, let's start. Okay, so I thought it'd be smarter to go on the Walmart website to find out what's the cheapest shampoo they have. So the first thing is Aussie Moist, but if it's not here, which Aussie Moist isn't, I'm not gonna pick it. So it just has to be here. So the next thing is Herbal Essence, and I don't see her. So I have to find out what is here as I go down the list, and then I'll come back to you once I find each thing. Okay, so this is actually hard. I think, so first this was the cheapest thing, right? Because it was $3 for the shampoo. But this has sulfates and stuff, so I don't know if you'd categorize that as a natural hair product, even though it is here. But this one is the next cheapest, I believe. And it's a shampoo, but this one, it's the same by Cantu, but this one doesn't have sulfates or parabens or silicone. So I think the first product out of the many I need to find. So I'm literally making up rules as I go. So the next thing I'm going to say is I don't want to do a whole line of Cantu, because yes, even though Cantu has a lot of cheapest things in each section, I want it to be each product has to be a different line, unless I really can't find there's no other hair mask, something like that. So I'm going to try and keep it cheapest, but it has to be different lines, so we test more brands. So I picked everything that I'm going to end up taking. I tried to get all different brands and I think I was successful. When we're back at home, I'll show you everything that I picked and the prices of each and everything. Okay, so we're actually not going home right away. We're going to Publix, but that's just for my madre to get some stuff. But she doesn't like me driving home from Publix, so I'm just driving to Publix. This car has to wait for me. I was here first. And the car's not waiting for me. Wow, the disrespect. Yes, I'm looking at you, ma'am. Okay guys, so I'm back home. I have everything that I bought and I have all the prices of everything, so I'm just going to tell you them and then we'll get on started with the actual wash and go. So obviously to start my wash and go, I have to have a shampoo. I don't like to co-wash really because I just like to have my hair moist enough to last me the whole week, and then when the week comes I shampoo everything that was built up and start fresh. And so like I mentioned when we were at the store, I tried to pick different brands, so that's why stuff kind of progressively got more expensive, because I didn't want to reuse the same brand, because I wanted to include as many different unknown brands or different, maybe you wouldn't have tried these together, and just see how everything happens and how they work individually rather than testing a whole brand, which I can do in the future if there's a brand you guys want me to test. So the first thing that I got was this shampoo, and it's from Cantu. This shampoo was actually $4.97. Okay, so the only reason I actually bought this shampoo, there was a cheaper option by Cantu, and that was the cheapest that they had in the whole section, but that wasn't, I didn't think that classified as a natural hair item, because it did have sulfates and parabens, so I was like, this one doesn't have it, so it would have been the next cheapest. So sorry, it's still $4, because money is money. That can buy you 8 lollipops more. So the next thing that I got was actually this conditioner. It's by Palmer's. It's their coconut oil formula, I guess. And I don't know if I said it, but this conditioner was actually $4.57. So my idea is that I'm either gonna use that conditioner to try and do some detangling while my hair is wet in the shower with either the conditioner, or these deep conditioning masks that I got. So I actually picked up these like little, I want to say like tester type packets, but they're not really testers because there's a pretty good amount in it. But this is just the milk and protein olive oil really deep conditioning treatment, and I picked 2 just so I'd have enough for my hair. I probably could have even picked 3, we'll see. But each was 97 cents, so I just wanted to throw something in that was on the really cheap side, because maybe you don't actually like want a full product type thing, you're just traveling and you need something, like just so you have something in mind. So we'll see how this goes, if it's a good thing to even keep in mind. And then for the actual styling products, for the leave-in, I picked this Argan Pride Olive Miracle Anti-Breakage Formula Leave-In Conditioner Daily Treatment Hair Strengthener. And this leave-in is actually a pretty like big container, and it is $2.87. So I really hope this will be a good product, because it's something that you can actually keep for longer, and that's a pretty good price if you can like make it last, you know. And then the next styling product I got was the most expensive out of everything that I bought, and it makes me so mad because I thought it was $4. Okay, well, if this eye's red, I just poked it, but anyways, whew, I'm literally crying. Wow. Next styling product I got was a curl definer. I didn't want to pick a gel. Maybe like the next video that I do this style, I'll pick a gel if this does well and you guys want to see more types of videos like this. So I just picked a curl defining cream. I mean, it kind of makes up for like a gel and a cream. So this is the Eden Body Works Natural Curl Defining Cream in Coconut Shea. And so I picked this because it's a pretty natural product. It has no sulfates, no mineral oils, no dyes, parabens, and it's cruelty free on top of that. So I was like, let me just take it. If it's not good, I'm gonna return it. That's the best thing about Walmart. If something doesn't work for you, they take anything back. And then lastly, to end my styling process of the wash and go, I'll probably put this oil in. This is the Hollywood Beauty Tea Tree Oil Skin and Scalp Treatments, and it's for dry, itchy scalp. It has vitamin E, it has aloe vera, and it's a fungus fighter. I've actually used this before, which is why I picked it up, even though it is $2.78, which is quite a lot for such a tiny bottle. But I just know that I already know it's good. Like, it's actually good for my skin too. And oh, speaking of my skin, I literally look like I have a dog bite because like it's a bunch of pimples in a row. Oh my gosh, I've been sitting here for 11 minutes. Let's hope this video is not that long. But yeah, so now we actually have to go and start this process. But okay, so let's get on to the actual washing.
Okay, before someone comes for me, I know this bucket is old, crusty, musty, dusty, needs to be thrown away, but I will never. She has been with me since before I could remember, so please, let her be.
Okay, so this is where we're at right now. This is actually pretty good, so let me just update on the products that I've used. I used 1 and 2 and those deep conditioning packets. Let us chat. So those packets, okay, I must admit they actually left my hair really good, but the thing is they need to kind of put some type of warning, like it's like a hot mask or something like that, because that felt like hot mint on my scalp and on my face and on my back when it touched my skin. Like, it was hot. Like, what if someone used that for their kid and they didn't know that was gonna be hot? So that's like the only thing, I guess. I didn't really like that, but like I could put up with the heat if I had known and I was like way more careful, like not to let it touch any part of my skin. I do have to admit, like, I did leave my curls really good afterwards. In the moment it felt really drying, but then I mean, I guess that's the point, you have to let it sit. It's a deep conditioning thing. The shampoo is just like a basic shampoo, so, and then what the heck is this? Like, this is actually drying, ugly, not cute, smells like medicine. It smelled like coconut oil. It smelled like coconuts fine, but then it smelled like Pepto-Bismol mixed with coconuts, like disgusting medicine. Like, whatever's your worst type of medicine, that's what it is. But now I rinsed out my hair with cold water. I didn't completely rinse out everything, I never do. And so now we're going to put in the leave-in conditioner. I was gonna try and comb my hair in the shower for like the first time, but the products weren't good enough for that. Like my hair felt dry. So hopefully when I put in this leave-in conditioner, it'll be better. I'm gonna put this in section by section because I want to really lather it up for a wash and go, because I don't normally do wash and go, so I don't want to put too less product and then my hair doesn't last. So I'm really gonna go heavy-handed. If you can't tell, I literally have to use this lamp for my light because it's basically dark out. Because I've been here for probably a good hour trying to brush this hair. My sister literally has come and helped me do like as far as I am now. Do not buy this, ever. This is so bad. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. African Pride Olive Miracle. Where's the miracle? This is actually so terrible. I'm just using it for the purpose of the video. This is, oh my gosh, it's actually like drying my hair. This is terrible, beyond terrible, beyond words. Oh my gosh, 50 years later and I'm done and bald basically. Look how much hair came out of my head. It could have been at least half that size if any of these products had been good. But I did promise for this to be a wash and go, so I'm going to take out these twists and go section by section with the curl defining cream. And then when that's all dry, I'll come back probably in the morning to put the oil. So first, let's put this curl defining cream. I'm going to do it twist by twist. I actually think I'm happy with this product. Okay. This one is actually defining my hair. Oh my gosh. This product literally saved this entire wash and go, guys. I am so happy. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so, whew. I was gonna have to go like a whole week with dryness because I didn't want to wash my hair again because that would just be bad. And oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This product actually saved me. So I'll either be back later tonight or tomorrow whenever my hair is fully dried, and I'll show you guys the results. And I'll put this last oil in my hair just to lock in the shine, but I want to do that when it's dry so you can really see it. And yeah. Okay guys, so it is the next day and that one hair product by Eden Body Works is the only thing that saved my hair. Oh my, do you see this? Definition ever. But okay, it was definitely longer yesterday, but that is definitely all my fault. It was not shrinking at all until I tied up my hair in a high puff to go to sleep, and I probably slept on it in the night because when I woke up, the top part was a bit matted down, so that took away some length. If I had done this in the morning and let it dry out the whole day, I think it would have been even crazier results, but like, the definition is there, sis. Now it's all about the stretching. So tonight, I'm gonna sleep with it in a ponytail so it'll stretch. Ooh. Sometimes I'm cute. But so today, the last thing we have to do is put the oil. And I want to do this while my hair was dry, so we can go ahead and do that now. It's sealed. Okay, so let's put the oil in my hair. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna put in because I just want like a good smell and a good shine and just to get my scalp moisturized. So I think that's good. And it definitely did make my hair shinier. I know for like straight haired people this might not be the best thing for you guys because I know your hair gets oily faster, but if you don't really have oily hair and you have dry hair, maybe you'll like this oil because it does add a lot of shine and it's good smell. Okay guys, so my final thoughts. So first was the shampoo. The shampoo was honestly a basic shampoo. There's nothing special, nothing really bad. All shampoo really just makes my hair dry, but like I just like to get a clean scalp. Like I know co-washing is probably better, but I just like a clean scalp, and that did that. So the next thing was a conditioner. Bad. I'm sorry. Palmer sticks to making your cocoa butter. That's the best. Hair products, not for you, not for I at least, so no. It was really just drying. It smelled like medicine mixed with coconut, like it was wannabe coconut. It was So the next thing, after that conditioner, I put in the deep mask, or before the conditioner I actually put in the deep conditioning mask. Nobody told me that it was gonna be fiery. Like that thing was burning my scalp, burning my skin. It was like the hot mint, and it wasn't that bad. I'm not gonna be extra, I can handle heat, but like you have to explain that. Like again, like what if someone was testing that on their kid for the first time and the kid starts crying, they don't know what's happening? The mintiness, the hotness, no good. But I do have to admit, if I left it in longer, it would have been softer in my hair, because it did make my hair pretty good. It was better than that coconut thing. Oh, but it just wasn't the best. I mean it's good for 97 cents, so it is something that I would say, okay, if you need like something to condition your hair and you're like on the go for a trip and you're not going to bring your whole thing, that 97 mask might just be it. So the fourth item I used was the leave-in. I wanted to take that thing out of my hair so badly. My hair was dry already from all of this ugly conditioning because I used the conditioner last. But oh my gosh, the dryness of that leave-in was actually so bad. Like I had to keep trying to put it in because it'd make my hair like wet for a second, but then dry. Moisture gone, moisture not there, no. I seriously do not recommend that leave-in. It was so bad, and I had high hopes for it for some reason. Like I thought it was gonna be like, I just thought it was gonna be good. Like it was a smooth texture, and I was like, wow. Dry, Sahara, desert. Whew. But the next thing, number 5. Ooh, that curl definer, girl. Ooh. Defined, curled, defined and curled, curls defined. That product, even though sadly it was the most expensive thing I got, it was like $8. I'm keeping her, she's mine, belongs to me, ownership I claim. It was so good for my hair. Nothing has ever moisturized my hair that well and defined my hair and actually kept it down. Oh my gosh, it did the job. And imagine that without all that dryness. Like throw out the Sahara, put in the rainforest, she brought the moisture back. The rain fell, the rain came, she said she's here, and she's moisturized. That product I recommend so much. Like I need to try the whole line at this point. I cannot wait to be like using this when I use my own product. So the curl definer like literally won this whole challenge thing. Like that was the #1 thing. And then lastly, number 6, the oil is a good oil. I really like it. The smell is good. It's oils, I feel like you can't really go wrong with them. Cause I mean, everybody knows what they want in an oil is like shine, not sticky. Like if your oil is sticky, like you already know it went wrong. Like, okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. It's probably really long, but I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you will subscribe and come back for next week's video or this Saturday's video, because I'm trying to post this on Wednesday. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And don't think because this video is done that you're done with me. No, no, no. Go follow my social medias, especially my Instagram. I work hard to be posting on there a lot. I like to post a lot of pictures, because it's just fun when you get a good picture, you feel me? I feel like I talked so fast right there. But I mean, go follow my Instagram. We hit 10K. Thank you so much. We're at 11.4K now. And road to 20K. Go big or go home. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I probably said that like 30 times. I don't care. Did you do it? That is the question. It's right there. I know people be forgetting to like the button. I mean, click the button to like. You know what I meant? Just do it. You're still listening to me. Why haven't you done it? Okay. I thought so. But okay, let me stop talking. Bye. Love you. Nikki out.